I earn $10 per original click I get. The original click you get, the more money you make. Like if you get more original clicks, you get more money. And per original click, you get $10. You get $10 per original click. And all you have to do, you could do this with your mobile phone, you could do this with any device of yours. All you have to do is go down to this website. Welcome to my channel, Light Info. Today I'm going to be showing you how to earn $10 per click. I mean $10 per click. You earn $10 per click into your PayPal account. Per click, I mean $10 per click. So all you have to do is, let's get down to the website. So this is the website here. It is an educational website whereby it connects you to the end users. You understand? It's an educational website that pay you for sending original clicks to their website. You understand? So this website, they make up articles and books on classes like photo and video in self-improvement, lighting, portrait, money and finances, drawing and illustration, posting, wedding, graphic designing, art and design, videographic, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Lightroom, entrepreneurship, craft makers, and many more. They make videos about those stuffs. They make videos, they write books about those stuffs. They educate people about those stuff. So they pay you, referring people to their website. They pay you $10 per click. They pay you $10 per affiliate click. I'm telling you, they pay you $10 per click. So all you have to do is scroll down to their website. Scroll down to their website, the bottom of the website. When you get down to the bottom of the website, you click this, become an affiliate. When you click on become an affiliate, it takes you to this page right here. So when it gets you to this page right here, it will tell you make money by connecting your audience to get content, to great content. Understand? So when you sign up to this page, so this is what they offer. Now, apart from earning your $10 per click, apart from that only, you also in 30% of any purchase your referrals make. If they should come over to the website and purchase some books based on any career they want to learn, Photoshop, graphic designing, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premium, any course, you earn 30% of the purchase. Understand? They earn 30% of the purchase. So now you could also track your performance. You could also track where the traffic is coming from. Maybe you could get your affiliate link. This site now is based on an affiliate link. Once you're done signing up, you'll be given an affiliate link to refer people on specific subjects. To refer people to their site on the listed subjects here, the listed topics here, the listed articles they create, listed careers here, their classes here. So they give you where you get to invite people to come, enlighten themselves on these sections of stuffs over here. You understand? So all you have to do is get down here. You earn 30% profit of whatever purchase they make there in the site. So here now you can track down where your clicks are coming from. If you should share your affiliate link to Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or many more. When you get much traffic from Facebook, they're gonna show you how your traffic comes. They're gonna track the people that clicked on your affiliate link. You understand? So this is the site. So the site is Creative Life. So this is how to sign in. So I will tell you how to get real clicks. You tell it per real time clicks. You need a real click. They need a real click. So these are our affiliate partners serve an audience looking for creative education and the ability to earn a living from their craft. Ideal sites focus on online education, photography, crafting, music, business, and training tools. So you have to refer people based on those careers I showed you over here. That this is it. So here now, once you get down here, when you click on become sign in, it tells you 30% commission on every new customer's purchase. You understand? Zero commission on return customers purchase. You like so that's all you need to know. So this is the site. You sign in, choose your username, put in password, choose your country, in which you log in from. So they work with Share a Sale. This is a partnership site in which they work with. Most will say why we are there referred from the creative line to a Share a Sale website. This is a company in which they partner with. So here is the company that help them track the traffic and the rest of the stuff. So here, let's get down on how you could get in people the real click, how you could make the original clicks, how you could get in clicks to earn your $10, where you could go to get in clicks. You could go to your social media, you could go to Facebook, you could go to, okay, let's get down to Twitter. When you get down to your Twitter here, now, so here you learn about graphics. So Twitter gets you, when you click on learn about graphics, it's loading. So Twitter gets you, similar subjects, similar articles based on people who want to see more about graphics. Okay, this is cartoon footage. Let me say, learn about there now. Adobe Lightning, Adobe, Lightroom. You understand? When you click on Adobe Lightroom, you're gonna see people. Over here, you're gonna see articles. Here now, you see articles on simple compositing on Adobe Lightroom. You come over here, like you see people's articles about this. You come over here to the chat. You paste your link. here. You paste your link here. People read comments. Most people come over here to just read comments and go. You could, if you don't want to do it this way, you could choose those your favorite celebrities. Like, let's say one of my favorite celebrities, Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber. Justin. So see him here. Yeah. You go over to Bieber and the network is kind of laggy. And the network is kind of being troublesome. So when you get down to Bieber, you go over to Bieber's articles. You click on the comment, his comments, his articles. You click on the comments. Once you get down to this comment here, you paste your affiliate link here. You paste your affiliate link. When you paste your affiliate link here, most people come over here to Bieber's comment to read what people said about him. People also, when people get towards your own, you could write something like if interested on how to learn learn about Adobe Lightroom. Click the link below. Classes. You may see one thing there is you make them get attracted. You tell them classes are what free. Yeah, despite classes are not totally free, but if this free here, then once you get it, you go over here, you paste the referral, your affiliate link. You understand? So, but despite the classes are not free, but this is what you could use to attract them. Many sites pay money. What you're interested about their click. Once they click on it, real clicks, you get paid. So Once they click on it, you in your $10. Once they head over there, they could do, if they should see, they will see the classes and know the ones to go with. But you are satisfied that you've gotten your clicks. So you could see in Biba, this is just a 908 chats, comments. So when you should paste your affiliate link there, you sure of getting like in a day, you sure of getting like 200 affiliate clicks, real clicks, because I've done it and it works for me. That's why I'm telling you to do it. It works for me. So that's how I do my own to get those huge clicks. So okay, you got a click, you got $10. So times 10 by 100, you'll be getting like $1,000 just a day. Reason it now, just a day you made $1,000. Woo, that's massive. That's very massive. So you could go over to your Twitter, you could go over to your Facebook, you go over to other social media networks you got. You could go over, do the same thing, and you earn your $10. So all you have to do is, if you love what we normally do, the way we normally render our services, please don't forget to click the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you could get enlightened anytime I post new wonderful interesting videos on how to make money online. So to cash out your money over here, you need a PayPal. You understand? So I have down in the description a link to my video, one of my video, which this one here now is the video on how to open a PayPal account anywhere in the world, and this services is available worldwide. I'm telling you, this service is available worldwide. So thanks.